Back, everybody. Day 14 here. We are finally over that midway point of the 25 days of Christmas, the 25 days of giveaways. Again, December 30th, 8 p.m. Central Time, we will be giving away all 25 items that we made leading up to Christmas. We have been a drawer down here. All you have to do to win is comment on the videos, and each video we will pull one winner from all the comments, and you can win multiple times. So, U.S. residents will cover all the shipping. International will cover the first five. And if you want to gift them to someone else, that's awesome as well. It is a season of giving. So, uh, we're making Christmas stuff, but we're not making all Christmas stuff. Today is kind of a fun one for me. I found the file and I just had to pick it up. It's actually a set of four coasters that come in a wooden box as well. We're only going to make one of the coasters tonight. We'll probably make a whole set of them and try to sell them here locally. We'll probably sell for Christmas time. So, you never know. We're going to make it out of just our white wood tonight. If we were to make a set, we would most likely make them out of walnuts. Really liking the walnut stuff that we've been doing lately. So check out our Instagram and our Facebook page for that stuff. So let's welcome in the laser. Still not talkative. I see his eyes are still closed. He must be asleep.
I thought this was a party. Let's dance!
Tonight I gotta cut loose, Louise. Pull me up on my knees. Come on and hold me back.
He'll do anything. Is he even awake? Oh, he's awake. Here we go. He's framing it. Spoiler, we already framed it. So we knew it would be right where we needed it to be. So it's just easier to do it that way, to be totally honest with you. So let's go ahead. We'll remove the program there. is already done. So this one didn't take, I don't think, nearly as long as it said it was going to. Let's see if we can pop it out of here. Oh. Almost had it. Gotta be faster than that. Oh, we got it. All right. Let's get the trusty, dusty. It's not really dusty because I use it almost every day. Old piece of poker here. Oh, this file cut good. It's popping right out of here. Oh, yeah. It's going to be a lot to pop out. Little pieces. I say that, and now it won't. Now the pieces won't pop out, of course. Here we go. Come out. There we go. Thank you. Come again. All right. Enjoy this montage of music while I struggle. All right, we are down to the last 2 pieces. 3 pieces. Because apparently I can't count. Here we go. Oh, it's out. So, yeah, beer, because you can't drink bacon. It's a 4x4 coaster. There's one more piece right there. I just saw it. We will clear coat these. And again, I think if we make these out of walnut, I think that'd really pop. And there's actually a set of 4 of these, so upcoming video after the first of the holidays, we'll make another one with the whole set. So, guys, as always, make sure to comment down below, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you day 15. Hey everybody, welcome back. Day
now that's quality
14,
content.
as we are
That's the kind of stuff that I can really appreciate.
We're over the hump.
I stand by
Day
this and
14
whatever
is
this
day
is.